I got this nice Harley with it. Antler. Guy laid it down, landed on his knee, and put a pretty good little dent in it. So we're going to try to get this out for him. Keep trying to paint all these colors here. So try to keep the factory finish for him. Alright, we've been pulling on this thing, starting to look quite a bit better. It's going to be an all glue pull. So I just want to get one thing straight, Justin. We do not do motorcycles.
Absolutely not.
Alright, thank you.
Absolutely not.
This is just, you know, an emergency case. So just wanted to do that disclaimer. Alright, so we're going to use the hot box on this. This is like the first time I ever tried it on a gas tank. And we started noticing it must be heating it up in here, because you can listen to it. And it actually boils the gas or something.
Mm-hmm.
Hear that?
Mm-hmm.
There it is again. So far so good with the hot box on a gas tank. No explosions, we're in good shape. Alright, here's the finished product. Came out pretty good. It's got just a little bit, like right here, you can see just a little bitty minor imperfection, but the rest of it come out looking really good. This was an all glue pull, and that's on a beautiful motorcycle. Beautiful. Good color combination. So, glad to get it done, make the customer happy. Alright, we got a nice little Mach 1 here. Got a little door ding. Very small one, but got to get it out of this one. And it's sharp. Very pretty car. Windshield tinted. Don't see many of these cars. Beautiful. Well, finally got this guy out. It was a little bit aggravating for a little tiny dent, but it is in good shape now. Got a little $50 size dent down here. We got a pretty good dent here with a scuff in it, which we will buff out here in just a minute, but not too bad. Maybe stretch just a little. Now got this one finished here. Gotta do a little buffing where the scuff is here in a few minutes. Get it knocked out all the way. We're over here on another nice Mustang. Got Jay getting the hood pad off underneath here so we can gain some access. Take these little clips out, drop it down, try to get through these holes. We got a good sharp dent right here. It's on aluminum. Pretty nasty. And we got this car right here, truck. Spencer painted this thing back in 1998, and still looking pretty good. Polishing up the chrome stuff on it. Got a little 265 V8. Another nice looking truck. Got the hardwood floors. Yeah, good looking truck. Got something I want to repaint on this one side. Looks a little different without the fender on the rear of it. It's burned some rubber with it. Got a little bit of work on that side. More panels and stuff. Got this hood finished, came out good. Didn't crack any paint. Put a lot of heat on it to make sure that didn't happen. This thin aluminum, it's when it's as deep as that was, it could happen at any time. So now, end of the day, packing up, getting out of here. All right, I got here, supposed to be here at 2:30 today. I have now arrived at 3:45, so we're going to have to get to work. And Justin's already been scolding me since I got at it. We got Walt over here sanding on one. Over here working on the car here, boss man underneath there. Spencer. So we're here at Spencer's Auto Body, going to get to work. All right, we're going to walk out here and check out the next vehicle I got to do after this one. This coming along pretty good. What we got, Justin?
Volkswagen Atlas.
Volkswagen Atlas. Alrighty, yeah, we can see that one good. That was not too bad. It should fix pretty quickly. Alright, what's the next one we got?
2003.
Alrighty. Alright, this here's not a big one either, so it ought to go pretty quick since we're getting here late today. There's Spencer. He's the owner of Spencer's Auto Body. We've been working together since about 2012 or 13.
Yeah.
Did some hail cars here in the last few years too. So
A bunch of hail cars.
yeah, so it's been good. So we're gonna go out here and check out this next one.
That there is
There we go. Yep, that was not too bad.
This one's a brand new Lexus.
Oh yeah. Yep, see it all around here. There's got a little line you can see. So we gotta get that little line out where the glue is holding the skin to the inner structure. So we gotta get through that, so. That's a nice car there. So we gotta make this baby like brand new. So, all right, we better get in here and get back to work. Alright, here's the finished product. Come out looking good. Ready to go home with the customer. Yep, come out nice. So, ready to go home, be another satisfied customer. Alright, here we go. This is the next one. Get ready to get it done. Be number 2. All right, got this one finished. I mean, it came out beautiful. And did a little bit of buffing. There was a little bit of paint transfer from whatever door it hit it, so we buffed it off there. That way it doesn't show at all. On that black, sure came out good. All right, here's number 3 for the day here at Spencer's. That.
Looking for a car, and it's right there.
That little dent right there. Pretty good little crease, little line. Here we are, just got finished. Took a little while, but it came out super nice. I mean, really, really nice. Little dings going down here. Well, saved from having to paint this gold color, which if it would have been painted, you'd have had to repair all around this handle, blend onto the rear door, take all the rear door apart. Where this here saved a lot of paint work. Don't have to worry about matching. With this pewter color, it's a pain to match, so customer's getting a good job out of this for sure. Alright, so this window right here does not roll down, and there's no access to this, so we're going to take this door panel off and to gain access to it. So we'll go ahead and get at it. Jay's going to help me out here. Alright, got that little sharp dent out, and now it's about time to put the door panel back on. And the way we gained access through here was with the door panel off, and we use this whale tail to get back through here. Get back in here and push it out. So anyway, now we're going to reassemble it, and then we're going to be done for the day.